Late nights, cold skies, tears hidden in designer eyes. Everybody loves me now.
This AI tool can generate full-length, copyright-free songs from literally anything. A text prompt, your own lyrics, a voice recording, even a single image. And the wild part is made by Google. Open your browser on mobile or desktop and type in labs.google. Now watch this. Once the Google Labs page opens, scroll down a little and you'll see Flow Music. That's the tool we're testing today. Click Try Now. First, you'll need to create an account, so hit Login. Then just continue with Google and sign in with your Gmail account. You'll get a few terms and conditions. Accept those. Now pick any username you want and hit Save. Your account is live. Now here's where it gets interesting. As soon as your account is created, Google gives you 530 free credits instantly. And after that, you keep getting 50 credits daily to generate more songs. So let's make one. In this box, you can type a prompt, paste lyrics, upload audio, pretty much anything. For the first test, I'm keeping it simple. I typed, create a cinematic romantic pop song. Now hit Run. It automatically generated the style, the lyrics, and the full song underneath. It creates two versions at once. All right, let's hear it.
In all this gray water, then you moved into the sky just opened up. I'm soaked through.
Okay, so the song actually generated, but here's the catch. When you use super basic prompts, the quality is decent, not amazing. The real magic happens when you give it better direction. So now let's level this up using custom lyrics and a custom style. I'm starting a new session first, and I already had ChatGPT generate some lyrics and a song style for me. I'll copy those and paste them here. And now let's run it again. It generated two full versions. Let's play the first one.
In all this gray water, then you moved into my space. Didn't ask for permission.
Now let's listen to the second version.
The sky just opened up. I'm soaked through my shirt.
And yet, a huge difference, because this time we gave it detailed lyrics and a clear style reference, so the output sounds way more polished and professional. Now, if you want to download the song, click the three dots. You can export it as MP4, MP3, or even web format. But this is the real game changer. You can actually edit the AI-generated song inside the tool itself. Go to Remix and look at these options. You can create covers, replace sections, extend the song, generate variations, or trim parts out. Let me show you the Replace feature first. Once you open it, your song loads into an editor. Now you can select any section of the song you want to change. For example, I'm selecting this part here. And let's say I want flute music added into this section. So I'll type, add flute music, then hit generate, and watch what happens. It keeps the original song, but replaces that section with the new instrumental layer. That's actually crazy. Now let's test extend. Go back to the three dots. Remix, then click extend. From here, you can continue the song from literally any point. The ending, the middle, wherever you want. If you want the song to continue after the final chorus, just select the ending section like this. Or if you want to expand a section in the middle, you can do that too. Now all you have to do is describe what you want added next. For this demo, I'm just pasting more lyrics here, then hitting generate. And there it is, the song just got extended automatically. So using this feature, you can basically make your track as long as you want. Now back in Remix, you'll also see variation and trim options. Variation creates alternate versions of your song. And trim lets you cut sections out exactly how you want. But now, let's try something even cooler. Instead of prompts or lyrics, we're going to generate music from an image and from my own voice. So I'm starting another new session. Up here, you'll notice a few extra options. There's settings, instruments, ghostwriter, producer tools, all with different jobs. For example, Lyra 3 Pro handles instrumentals, ghostwriter helps generate lyrics, and producer controls the overall composition and arrangement. Now click the plus icon. From here, you can record your voice, upload audio, or generate music from an image. Let's start with the image test. Upload any image you want music generated from. And once the image uploads, you can also add custom instructions if you want a specific vibe, but I'm just hitting run. Now watch this. The AI analyzes the image first. Then suggest multiple music directions based on the mood and visual style. Pick whichever one you like, and it generates music around that image.
I am tightening the laces on my left shoe. I am tightening the laces on my left shoe.
And honestly, the result sounds way better than you'd expect. That was generated entirely from a single image. Now let's push it further using voice. I'm opening another new session because sometimes different generations can overlap if you don't. Now I'm uploading an audio clip, and this is important. This isn't even a singing recording. It's literally just a tutorial voice clip. Let me play a small part. Now, if you want to download the video, just hit download right. So yeah, definitely not singing. And honestly, my voice isn't even built for music. But if you upload an actual singing sample, your results will usually sound much better. Now I'm giving it this instruction. Use this voice as a sample and compose a professional emotional pop ballad in this voice. You can customize this however you want. Trap, country, cinematic pop, R&B, rap, just change that one section. Everything else stays the same. Now let's run it. And this is where it gets interesting. The AI analyzed my voice, created a matching style, generated lyrics automatically, and then built an entirely new song using my vocal tone as the reference. It even explains what it did underneath. Alright, let's hear it.
And meets the gray, moves without a sound, taking the ground from my feet. And I am looking for...
Okay, so that's actually impressive. It's not a perfect one, clone of my voice, but honestly it matches around 80–90%, which is pretty insane considering this is still an early stage tool. And remember, I used a normal tutorial recording, not a singing sample. If you upload real vocals, the results get even better. So yeah, using this tool, you can generate copyright-free songs from prompts, lyrics, images, or even your own voice, completely free. And the best part, you can upload these tracks directly to YouTube. Right now, after testing, I still have 480 credits left. And you can earn even more free credits using the invite option. Just share your referral link with friends. If someone signs up through your link, both of you get 500 extra credits. So you can basically keep generating songs without paying. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.